Ano ba pagawa mo?
What do you think? Because I don't know if the roots are too far off na for just color or if I should.
June na yan.
Then
Kasi
it's quite a lot na. Matagal na.
kung mga ganito lang, okay lang.
Yeah.
But this is...
Okay. If we do a new color, how's that? Like, talagang...
Same process lang naman yon if the same color and new color. In that case, I'll show you some pictures. Pero ito, the best din to.
Can I see
Korean,
those?
Japanese. Eh, mga uso ngayon. Blush.
It's like an ashy blonde. No?
Ito to.
Gray
Parang
ba?
ito. This
Like
one.
this one.
Pero buo.
Wala na tayong highlights if like that?
We can do highlight, pero ang highlight kasi could be 90%. Dito sa case mo, this is 50%.
Okay.
So, meron kang ganito, and then meron kang base na parang light brown na ash. Now, if ganyan ang gagawin natin kay Anne, imagine this,
Yeah.
pero more.
More.
Maganda yan, to be honest.
Sige, I trust you.
Ganun.
I trust you.
Laging ganun
You never fail me naman.
Laging ganun yung ano eh. Okay.
Yeah, sige.
Huwag mo munang gamitin yung ano. Purple. Para lang, mag-paint pa siya. Update mo na lang.
Okay.
Okay na yung bangs?
Yeah. So that.
Tama lang, no?
Yeah.
Tapos, huwag mo munang iwas sana kahit isang araw lang.
Okay.
Ha?
Yeah.
Thank you!
Thank you, Miguel.